Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and inspect your eyes. And first, I'm just going to inspect your external structure. So I will be looking at your eyebrows and your eyelashes, and everything is intact. And then I'm going to go ahead and look at your internal structure. So first, I'm going to start by looking at your sclera, and it's nice and white. There's no yellowing, no jaundice. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull down on your lower eyelid and just inspect your conjunctiva. And so it's nice and pink. I'm looking for any kind of paleness, which you don't have. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my light source, and I'm going to look at your pupils. So what I'm going to do first is just look for roundness. They're both round, they're both equal in size, and then I'm going to see how they react to light. So what I want you to do is just look right here at my nose, and I'm going to shine my light into your eyes. I'm going to do it twice on each side, and I'm going to go ahead and look for pupil constriction. I'm going to look for both direct and consensual pupil constriction. So just go ahead and look right here at my nose. So that one's good. So we have both direct and consensual constriction. Great. And one more time. Perfect. So both pupils are equally responsive to light. I'm going to go ahead and assess her irises at this time too. They're both equal in color. There's no discoloration on either side. So then we're going to go ahead and do your confrontation testing. What this does is it assesses your peripheral vision. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hands on both sides of your head. I'm going to wiggle my fingers, and you tell me when you can see my hands, okay? So just say now whenever you say perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead and test her superior and posterior views for her peripheral vision. So tell me again when you can see my fingers.
No.
Perfect. And one more time.
No.
Good job. All right, so then all of your peripheral views are intact. Then we're going to go ahead and do the 6 cardinal views of gaze. So I want you to look at my finger, and you're just going to follow my finger wherever it goes. Alrighty?
Okay.
Good. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to do one more thing. So follow my finger from right here. I'm going to check for convergence. So I'm going to move my finger to the middle of your nose and back out. And at this time, you can also assess for accommodation, because when you go close to the nose, the pupils constrict with near effort. So I got your accommodation in both eyes as well. And then we could do a vision test and use a Snellen chart, and how that would work is you would stand 20 feet away from my sign, and you would read the letters from the top to the bottom in order, starting with the big E at the top of the sign. And as soon as you missed 3 letters in a row, or sorry, just 3 letters, that your vision would be the line above. So you would stand 20 feet away. So once you miss 3, that's your vision is the line above the letters that you missed. And then last thing we're going to do while you're here is a cover test. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover one eye and look at the other, and then cover the other eye, and back, and forth, and back. And you can do this about 7 to 10 different times. But what I'm looking for is if one of the eye turns away from the target, that's a sign that there's some sort of muscular disorder. But that's, I think, about it for that.